Hey there, future affiliate marketing moguls. Welcome back to The Hustle Strategist. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for your success in the affiliate marketing world: choosing profitable niches. I'm the Hustle Strategist, and I'm excited to be your guide on this journey to finding the perfect niche that aligns with your interests and income goals. Let's get started. The importance of niche selection. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about why niche selection is so important. Picking the right niche is like laying the foundation for your affiliate marketing journey. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passion intersects with market demand. Passion versus profit. One of the first questions you might ask is, should I choose a niche I'm passionate about or one that's more profitable? The ideal scenario is to find a balance between the two. Your passion will drive your content creation, while profitability ensures your efforts are rewarded. Researching market demand. To start, conduct thorough research to identify niches with significant market demand. Tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and social media insights can provide valuable insights into trending topics and search volume. Analyzing competition. Competition is a good sign of a healthy market, but you don't want to dive into an oversaturated niche. Look for niches with a reasonable level of competition where you can carve out your unique space and offer something valuable to your audience. Identifying affiliate programs. After narrowing down your options, explore affiliate programs related to your potential niches. Check the commission rates, product quality, and the track record of the affiliate program. You want to be sure you're aligning yourself with reputable partners. Assessing profit potential. Consider the profit potential of each niche. Are the products or services in your chosen niche high-ticket items with decent commissions? Will your audience likely make repeat purchases? These factors play a crucial role in your long-term earnings. Passion as a driving force. While profitability is important, don't underestimate the power of your passion. Your genuine interest and enthusiasm will reflect in your content, building trust with your audience and making your recommendations more authentic. Finding the sweet spot. Ultimately, the key is finding that sweet spot where passion, profitability, and market demand intersect. Your chosen niche should excite you, offer valuable solutions to your audience, and have the potential to generate consistent income. So there you have it, your guide to choosing profitable affiliate niches. Remember, this is a crucial step that sets the tone for your entire affiliate marketing journey. Take your time, do your research, and trust your instincts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more insightful content. Until next time, happy niche hunting. Thank you for joining me at the Hustle Strategist channel. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with niche selection, please leave a comment below. Stay inspired and keep hustling.